CY1800 DX5 DX7 Head Digital Printer for Flex Banner Printing, Eco Solvent Ink Printing, Digital Sublimation Inkjet Printing. How to operate this printer. Open main top software. Input any image as JPG, TIFF, PNG. Import to here. Adjust what size you want to printing. Click printing. So printing job will be transferring to printer automatic. Nice printing quality. Fast printing speeds. Wide format size printing. Testing all new machine before packing. Strong plywood exporting package, safety for shipments. Why you choose us? How is this printer features? This machine-based double CISS system. Optional with DX5 Printhead or DX7 Printhead. All printer inside PCB Board warranty 2 years. Suitable for eco-solvent printer, sublimation ink, UV ink. One machine can printing all sublimation, outdoor flex banner, vinyls, and all advertising outdoor media.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers. The same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.